Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in this video about Coinsnap, we will talk, does Coinsnap app work? So I wanna review this application, and of course we will start by installing this application. You can easily install it from Play Store if you use an Android device, or from App Store if you are an iOS user. Just open it up, and in the search box you can find this application, Coinsnap. On this page you'll find the install button, so just click on install to download it on your device. Okay, finally we can open it up. Just click on the open right here, and by the way, pay your attention at the rating of this application, 4.5. It's pretty good, and this application has a lot of downloads, 5 million plus. It's really big value, so it means that this is a really good application. But now let's try to use it. Click on open, and here it is, Coinsnap. So click on continue. So as you understand, this is a special application which can help us to find information about a coin. For example, we can scan a coin, just take a picture of it, and the application will display all information about this coin. So now I wanna show you how to use it. Just click on the cross icon at the top right. Okay. How your free trial works, just click on the cross icon again, and here it is. And this is how the application looks like. So there are 4 tabs: home, catalog, collection, and the take a picture button. So on the home page you can identify your coin. We very soon will try this feature. On the second tab you can find all popular coins, for example in United States or in another country. Collection, here you'll see all your coins that you scanned, and of course here at the top right you can go to the settings. Yeah. Okay, finally let's click on the last tab to scan our coin, and now you can scan your coin. This is how my coin looks like. Just take a picture. Now reverse it, and take the second picture. Okay, here it is. Now the application is scanning our pictures, and here it is. Here's the result. And to be honest, the result is correct. Year 1985 and so on. Now we can click on the check button at the very bottom and add it to collection. Here you can find the coin's price and also find all the necessary information. Yeah, so let's add it to collection. Done, and add it. Okay, and as you understand, this application really works correctly, and I advise you to use it. It's very cool application. Hope my video was really helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.